So we're starting in good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now interlace the fingers, turn the palms up towards the sky. Inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale gently to the side. Inhale, center. Exhale, down. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, the other side. So again, inhale. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, lengthen up through the arms. Exhale a little further to the side. Inhale. Exhale, down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, over. Inhale, exhale. So now we're going to twist. So inhale up, exhale, twist. Inhale to the middle, exhale, arms down. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale down. Bring the arms down and we'll roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. Hands on the shoulders, circle with the elbows. And forwards. And full arm circles. So inhaling up, exhaling down. And the other way. Left forward, right back. Left arm forward, right arm back. And swap, right forward, left back. Right forward, left back. Okay, so a bit of balance. Bringing that left leg up, holding onto the knee. And we'll work on the ankle joint. And then the other way. Now, you can actually stay here or hold on to the bottom of the foot. Try and straighten up through the spine and bring the leg out in front. But remember, don't strain. So if this feels too much, you can just keep holding onto the knee and practice your balance. So we'll do the ankle first. So just rotate one way and then the other. You can stay there, take hold of the foot, and we're trying to straighten the leg out in front. So coming back down. So we're going to do 2 more on each side. So either just hold onto the knee, or if you can, holding onto the bottom of the foot. So you can even just stay here and work on this. If that feels easy enough, then we're trying to bring the leg out in front. Try and straighten the standing leg and the leg in front. So the other side, either just work on the balance or holding on to the bottom of the foot. But try and straighten up through the spine first and then straighten the leg, or wherever you get to. So we'll do 1 more each side. So we're just working on your balance wherever you're at. So if you can, straighten that leg. You might want to take the leg out to the side as well. So just give it a go. Make sure you're not going to fall over and break anything. But as with everything, it's all practice. But if you're struggling at this stage, then don't take it any further. Just work up step by step. If that feels okay, then take the leg out to the side. And coming down. Alright, triangle pose. So we're going to do 3 on the same side and then swap. So we're turning that left foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled. So remember to squeeze that left thigh. So inhale first, exhale, reaching sideways, one arm down, the other one straight up. So engaging those core muscles. So we're not leaning on the leg, we're using the muscles to keep steady. So inhale, exhale sideways, one arm down, the other straight up. So if the neck feels okay, we're looking up to the hand. Inhale, exhale, arms down. Inhale, bring the arms back up. Exhale, reach as far as we can. Bring that left hand down, right arm up. The palm facing forwards, looking up to that hand. And remember to breathe. Inhale up. Exhale, arms down, we'll turn the feet around. The hips are facing forwards. Remember to squeeze that right thigh. Inhale, exhale, bring the arm down, other one up, and just keep breathing there. So try and inhale as you come up, exhale, relax the arms. Inhale, bring the arms back up. Exhale, sideways. And breathe. Remember, just use a triangle pose that works best for you. And nothing should hurt. Inhale up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale. Exhale, reach. Bring the arm down. And just breathe. So for any time you're holding on to the breath, you're trying too hard, you'll just tense the body and possibly cause injury. So inhale up, exhale, arms down, and come back to that good posture. So feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. String from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel. One hand on the chest and just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. So if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths. And just let the mind quieten down. Open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.